Hola, hi, Namaste. I am Monsoon and welcome to my channel. So guys, as I have told you in my previous video that further going on, I would be making videos on monsoon places. So yes, on this 7th of July 2019, I have been to the Devkund Waterfall, which was on my bucket list for the past 2 years. But I wasn't able to visit it due to the state government used to shut it down during the monsoons because of the mishaps that used to have during the near the waterfall during the monsoon period. So they used to shut it down, and luckily I got this chance this year to visit it, and you won't believe it, it was the last weekend which was available for the Devkund Waterfall. So about visiting the Devkund Waterfall, I was just browsing through my Facebook, and I came across this trek and travel groups, which basically they are a group of people which organize such kind of treks and everything, and I have been with that group and I have visited Devkund Waterfall, and my overall experience was just wonderful. So the package which they provide was of 1400 rupees. So I would be mentioning the description and the link in the description, so don't forget to check that out. And also the activities which were inclusive was of course the trek, the bus service which was pick up from Dadar East to Devkund Waterfall, means the base village, and breakfast and lunch. So in breakfast they served us Maggi and poha and tea of course, and after that in the lunch they have served us dal rice and chapati bhaji. So that was quite nice, and it was totally worth it. Means I felt that my every penny was worth it. I have spent my money and I didn't regret it at all. So I would suggest you, if you want to visit Devkund Waterfall, please do visit with them, because you aren't allowed to visit Devkund Waterfall without a guide. So you would be requiring it. So that's what it's really needed for. So guys, let's moving on to our video. So let's check out the arrival video.
Once the bus halted, we got down and started walking towards the trail of the waterfall with the amazing view. Then there was this Tata power plant where there was this post, as you could see in the next picture, that was located, and then we took a left from it. With a parking lot where you could park your 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers as well.
So guys, that was all for the arrival. Once we took a left and through the parking lot, through the trekking and everything, we reached at the starting point of the trekking, and let's check out that video and also check out the trekking part of the video. So guys, that was all for the trekking part, and while trekking into the trail, it was a wonderful, beautiful environment around aside all the greenery, waterfalls, rivers. We had to cross almost 3 rivers. 2 we have to cross without the bridge, and 1 was with the bridge. So let's check out that video. this bridge there was a huge hike kind of thing. Means there was a huge a hill, I would say, which we climbed, and after climbing that hill the view was amazing because we finally arrived at our destination and it was beautiful. So let's check out the waterfall video, guys. It's amazing. So guys, that's all from my side for this week, and I would be uploading more videos on monsoon trekking and monsoon stuff, so don't forget to check that out as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any ideas, any suggestions, anything, like just write it down in the comment box. I would be happy to hear you out. So guys, that's all from my side. Adios, bye, namaste.